I am Stony Phantom 3. That's all I got. I think that's all I got. I don't gotta follow up this time. Cause the thing is, I'm sucking threes at the moment for some reason. I don't know why. I just am. Can't explain it. It's not even just cause I'm on YouTube. It's cause or I'm making a video. I don't know. Off camera too. I'm struggling. I don't know. I don't know what it is, but let's get it. Alright, let's grab the mid boost. Grab that. Small time. Oh, bumped. Nice. He meant to hit the ball, but I'll take the bump on his car, I guess. That's fine. You gotta be careful with the speed. Bad play. Should have rotated back. Could have grabbed that mid boost from Wyatt as well. Bad touch as well. Oh, everything's just going badly right now. For me at least. Oh, I just bumped teammate. Teammate? Nice. Oh, I missed it, but teammate's got it. Nice. Nice! Counter. Let's go. Good thing I missed that. I didn't have enough boost to hit that. Oh, ghost touch maybe? I don't know. Whenever I see the sparks on the ball, I feel like on their screen they hit it. But on the server side they didn't hit it. I wish how that works. Just touch it there. Ooh, if I touch it lower. Oh, what the? That was out of nowhere. Spades came out of nowhere. On my screen, he was nowhere to be found. Out of nowhere, he pops up, pulls through. Ah, I tried to take that boost. Yeah, that was literally, I had no vision on him at all. That was crazy. I'm gonna go for this. Okay, faking, I guess. Faking again. That's fine, as long as he got a touch. Ooh, what a touch. There we go. That's it. Okay, monkey man. What? Who's the monkey man, me? My monkey man? I'm confused. Or is he monkey man for the back touch? I don't know. I'm lost. I wanna fake. Touch it back to him. Nice job, Ghost. Ghost is solid. And Daku hasn't done anything wrong either, though. So. Over. Oh, my bad. Bad touch. Nice. Nice. I got it. Oh, no, he's there. Oh, I tried it. That was a horrible attempt. I wasn't nearly high enough. Going in for it. Ooh. got past me, but Deku's there. I keep wanting to say Deku. My Hero Academia, but that's not how it's spelled at all. Nice. Wyatt's up. Wyatt with the touch. Ooh, my bad. Bumps, bumps. Just going for bumps. Okay, went for the block pretty much on his touch. It's not great, but that's fine. Works out. Centering is so dangerous in threes because he could be centering for the other team. I just bumped one, which probably helped us out. Ah, bumped him. At least. Miss. Deku got a challenge. That's fine. Ooh, that kind of messed him up actually. It was bouncing center. I'll wait for his. Wow, I'm getting beat to every ball. Wow, that's my bad. I shouldn't even have went up at this point, to be honest. That was awful. What was that? Oh my. I don't know. My reads gotta get better. Sometimes I just can't read where the ball's going. Struggle. Like again, I felt like I touched that on my end, but clearly I didn't. I missed by the smallest margins, I feel like. Ooh. Bumped. Boom, that would have been bad. That did not touch the ground. That was probably a goal for them. Wait. Unless Fennec blasted it over. I got it. Let's go, baby! Nice leave. He left the ball for me, and that's really why I scored. Hello? Okay, we back, we back. I just messed up my mic mid-recording, that's cool. We're doing one more. Did you guys, are you guys able to see that? Like me get out of, I mean, we're about to find out actually. Edit this. I wonder if you guys can see that. I'm curious. I mean, you've seen it happen before, I think, so. Oh, I gotta stop hitting my mic. I keep accidentally hitting it. Or it's my headset, rather. And that, because that messes up the whole, it messes up, it like mutes itself. I don't know why, it just does. I have a HyperX Cloud 2 headset, which the microphone's decent, I guess. But it's the headset portion of it's really good. Like the portion you hear like footsteps and stuff, environmental sounds and stuff. That's really good actually. I like it. But microphone stuff is alright, I guess. Alright, here we go, game 2. This is gonna be interesting if we can win. Alright. We got Wyatt on my team this time. Ah! Should have flicked it earlier. I hate when I have a 1v1 situation and I mess it up because I feel like I should be scoring like 9 times out of 10 times. Or maybe 9. No, okay, that's a little too much. Maybe like 7 or 8 out of 10 times I should be scoring, or at least putting up a good shot, like not a terrible one. Oh, my bad. That was awful. That should have been a goal. Oh, now I'm mad. Let's go. I'm not mad, but like, I have a... Oh. I don't know what I'm doing, dude. I don't know what I'm doing, dude. I'm out here like taking my time when everyone's rushing back. What am I doing? I don't know what that was. I honestly shouldn't even have scored. Look how bad that was. Alright, here we go. Go back. White's got the boost. Nice. I don't think I was ready for that shot. Boost isn't mid, it's taken. I'm gonna wait. Just get a decent 50. Just gotta trust me, so I gotta actually hit those and not miss, because teammates are trusting me. Nice. I'm gonna touch it down. Like that's a good choice. Nice. I'm gonna go back. Bumped one. The air bumps aren't really that helpful, to be honest. I just went for it, I wasn't sure if teammates going, and I knew my challenge would be unexpected. And I tried it. Tried to pass off all of myself. Oh no. Oh. Oh no. It's the worst when you sneeze. I don't even have boost. It's the worst when you sneeze and you're about to like save it or score, because then you completely miss. Because obviously you can't see the screen. Can you sneeze without like closing your eyes? Oh my. I should wait for after the game to ask that question. But what actually doesn't even make sense, because I'm not getting the answer. But I wonder if you can... I blame the sneeze on that goal. Sneeze all the way from 30 seconds ago. That's the reason. But yeah, I wonder if you can sneeze without like having to close your eyes. I had to block. That was a goal. If I didn't block right there, because he just demoed my teammate. Okay. Ah, if I had boost, man. Every time I don't have boost, I can score. It's crazy. It happens so often. I go back. This game is still ours. We can win it. I believe in our offensive pressure. Nail him. I'm gonna go back. Playing a little too up front. Should try rotating a little better. That was a decent pass, but I don't think team could capitalize. I messed his touch up, so we're good. That should be over. I don't have boost though. Teammates you. Nice touch. Teammate? Where's the other teammate? Okay. Yeah, it's always great to leave stuff For your teammate. No, I almost had. If I didn't hit it that hard, it would have been on target and it would have been a goal. Hit that over. Oh my, that was almost bad. Oh, if I didn't hit it that hard, man. It happens so often in threes. I hit the ball so hard. I think everyone does. Hits it so hard. The ball. Like boom the ball. Teammate, you can have it. Okay. I'm gonna boost it. Someone needs to go for that. Nice. Should have went for more of a chip, and I was kind of trying to do that, but that's on me. It's my bad. Yeah, that right there screwed us up. Then teammates weren't ready for the pass. Yeah, that game's on me. For sure. It was a good game. I guess I'm stuck in Champion 2 forever. uh, Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'm Stony Phantom 3, and I'm out.